What's going on, Gunners, YouTubers, subscribers? That's it. We're en route now. Lefty's here. He's with me. Oh, my bad. Tuck your deuce up. Next to oversized load. I'm vlogging and driving. How dangerous is this? All right, so we're on 87 now. We're gonna go pick up Trappy, and then we're gonna hit the road on our way to Vegas. So me and Lefty were talking, and we're thinking about going to the Four Corners. Where is that exactly? It's New Mexico, Arizona,
Colorado, Utah.
Yeah, that's
yeah, something like that.
Yeah, it's the Four Corners. So we're thinking about that will be, because we have to time everything correctly, and because we want to be to Vegas by like Thursday afternoon. So we gotta get to the Four Corners quickly, because that one stop is gonna end up costing us about 5-6 hours of travel time. So we are going to steamboat over there. We've got about 2,500 miles, 2,600 miles to cover. So yeah, sit back and enjoy this journey with us. I've been thinking about making a chili too. Yeah, I got a nice little recipe, man. I'm telling you. All right, so yeah, that's basically it. Let's start this vlog. Keep gunning. You can always count on New York for traffic, baby. I mean, it's not LA traffic left. It's not, but you can always count on New York for traffic. So right now we're on 87, right around West 230th. I'm thinking about taking the side road all the way up to the GW. You gotta do some kind of trickery over here. And this is the world famous Pissy Island. If you know, you know. This is where all the truckers throw their piss bottles out. Way to fucking ruin our state, buddy. Oh, I'm vlogging! Oh, fuck. First gas stop here. Where we at? 60 bucks? That's to fill up right now on 93. I'll start getting cheaper with the gas soon. Start putting that 87 in, that 1987, you know what I mean? We told Trappy we were on our way 1 hour ago. He's been waiting outside for like 30 minutes because he always takes forever to come down. This is gonna be great. I can't wait to see his face, man. How salty this nigga looks. Yeah, just getting into Pennsylvania, man. 1:05 at basically 1 p.m. I hate driving in Pennsylvania. It is so long. We're at exit 309 right now.
Pause.
I don't know how many.
This guy, look.
That's all he does.
That's all he does.
All he does this whole trip. That's every trip we go to. And then he calls himself a hauler. My man, why are you using Lefty's back scratcher?
What happened?
Because he brought it, you want to use it.
It's bothering you?
Yeah, it is, because you didn't need a back scratcher. No, I don't want to use it. You don't know what that man got on his skin. Because he brought the back scratcher. Oh, let me utilize it.
I'm over here with a pillow and a
You're
back
moving around
scratcher.
90 times. The seat keep hitting me. Come on, I'm driving over here.
Nah. Passaria, nigga.
Yo, he's gonna put down his back. He's dead ass scratching his feet with it.
Trap, but I don't got your feet, my nigga.
Nah, I put foot cream today. Yeah, nah, I'm ready.
Bro, if I would have put that
with the athlete's feet, Trap.
Nah, nigga.
Yo, if I would have put that back scratcher on his feet, the clear would have fell off.
Nah, nigga,
you
start seeing that shit charcoal.
You take the curl
You
out
start
of it.
seeing smoke come out of it. What the fuck was lighting a fire in here? Yo, you started a fire in here. That nigga crazy. Here goes basically our second fuel stop. We're in Pennsylvania. We're almost about 2 hours out. Man, Pennsylvania's long, man. Pennsylvania's long. And we're starving, and it looks like we're gonna have to eat some of this BS. Who's always last in the truck?
Bro, we've been here for probably like 20 minutes waiting.
Filled up.
Filled up.
Ready to go.
Filled up $70. How many gallons? 24 gallons.
24 gallons. We went shopping. We got some food. And Trap is nowhere to be found.
Nowhere to be found. Get chocolate milk.
Or the economies of these other countries have to suffer. And that's where I agree with what you just said, Jocko, about
I ate those stupid ass potato sticks and then I felt weird.
Huh?
I ate those stupid ass potato sticks and then I felt
Oh, the potato sticks. Blame it on the potatoes.
Nah,
So you recorded? Live update.
I'm trying to think.
4:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are currently 107 miles, almost out of Pennsylvania. I'm driving, and out of nowhere, I look over to the right, and my friend Lefty, to my right, is sweating profusely. Now, he's mixing pills. He's seen what happened to Juice World. He's mixing it with weed. He's smoking gelato, and now he's all screwed up.
Just took an allergy pill.
He took an allergy pill, some other kind of funky pills, I don't know what they're called, for his back supposedly, and he smoked some Reggie ass gelato, not the shit Young Dolph smoked, and now he's almost dying. He's sweating profusely, and that's the update.
And Trap finally woke.
And we're in Ohio. We officially just crossed in, and we're stopping here at Denny's. This is what the road life is about, my boys. Eating shitty ass food. Makes me miss New York so much more. Let's go in here and get these blockbuster deals. What's going on, YouTuber subscribers? What's going on? Which y'all niggas ordering chocolate chip pancakes? Sitting next to you, because you warm. Nigga, yo,
I could have ordered regular ones. You would have said they was
my
trash.
nigga, they look slapped together. Left, keep it $1 million.
Yeah, the icing came from.
Yeah, look.
The little packs.
Yeah.
Squeeze two.
My man ordered a medium at Denny's, so he gonna definitely get sick.
Yeah, I'm scared.
You definitely getting sick. I don't know what happened here, if they went to wrinkle them or straighten them.
Wavy.
Yeah, I don't know. What else? Gotta be the
Fucking
worst
Trap.
food orderer ever right here.
Trap, my nigga.
I don't even show y'all mine because they messed mine up. Capping that.
What happened?
That's what Trap people just.
How's it going? Tell me. How's it going?
That my nigga. What happened?
Come on, bro. You got a Cinnabon pancake, dog.
Yeah.
I still got the steak.
Just give it.
Because Aki wasn't lying.
Is this top 5 worst meals you've ever had? Top 5 or top 10?
Top 5.
This is definitely top 5.
Top 5 worst breakfast.
I didn't even want to show y'all mine. That's how bad it was. I sent it back and I told them. I told them, can you can I get the kick me in my nuts?
Every morning.
No bacon. Yo, you're not gonna finish that?
Nah.
All right, lift your pants down a little bit. Lift your pants down a little bit. Why are you recording this?
Yeah, nigga, pause.
The man's in pain, my nigga.
Yeah, that's
Lift your-
that's
lift-
family. That's how you.
lift
That's
your
how,
pants above
that's how
it
you
now.
know that's love.
No, you just fucked it up. All right, right there, Cabalon, right there. Cabalon, let's go. I didn't know he was gonna record that. Okay, Gunners, I'm beat. I've been driving 12 hours straight. We're about 50 miles away from Indiana. We stopped at some shithole gas station that has nothing. Got a Pepsi and some Doritos, but I think that'll conclude it. I'm tired. I'm gonna get in the back, pause, and go to sleep. Hey, Denny's, if you did watch that clip, yeah, you know what? Forget about that sponsorship because that food's awful. I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Keep gunning.